You saying I got a gold mine on my hands here? Or she
No.
does?
Don't you give me a hard time. Oh. I give it right back to you.
Put it in a box. I don't care.
How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I still got a bunch more stuff to put out.
I figured as much. I saw the pictures. Looks overwhelming. What are you asking on the starting lineups?
Giving you a good deal. I'll do 100 even. You get 30 bucks just for this one.
You think?
100%.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
You said you had a box of VHS out here?
VHS?
Yeah.
That's all upstairs. Why, you interested in a bunch of VHS? What kind?
Horror, sci-fi? What? You do
I got all kinds.
sealed? You got any stuff sealed or
Nothing
is it all
sealed,
open?
all open. I got a whole bin full. But I don't think my wife will give up the bin.
Put it in a box. I don't care. You want? Can we take a look at it real quick? Versus you bringing it down? Would that make it easier?
Up in the apartment? Yeah, I need keys, babe. There's well over 100 in there.
I'll take a look. $4 from me so far. Oops. 2005. Let's go to... Yeah, I saw that. How much y'all asking on that little pet shop?
There's a bunch in here. I'd say 10 and 10.
10 to 10 for the little. What about the Monster High dolls?
They're I think she wanted to do 3 each.
3 each. Well, you've got all your old dolls out here, young lady, but what about
we got Legos and some other stuff that we're keeping, but yeah.
See, I love Legos. I love video games. I love old action figures.
Yeah.
But I mean, action figures.
I think I got one Game Boy game in there. She had. You were going to sell that Pokemon game? Other than that, we got all the old video games, but we still have what?
For a DS, not a
Oh, DS, sorry.
Y'all bringing that one out too? You said a DS one?
It's a DS one. Let's see if you see it on the counter on the bar.
Find some. Neat. Oh, what would y'all ask on this?
That's yours. I don't know. Ask it. What's a reasonable price to pay for that?
I have no clue. Usually when I get games, I try and pay just a couple bucks, but it just depends. Like,
okay.
If it had manuals and everything, then obviously a little more collectible. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, 5?
5, yeah.
I'll do $5 for
it.
it. Take a chance. Now, would you give me a deal if I bought all of your Monster High dolls?
So there's 10, so I don't know, maybe 20 for all of them?
I'll give you 20. Yep.
Okay.
I'll take a chance. I'm not too...
Go grab a sack. So we have all those grocery sacks.
I always try and find out, learn some new... I was only going to ask you about one more thing.
Yes, sir.
Albums? Y'all selling albums?
Those are my daughters that a friend gave her, so that my daughter who's not here, so I cannot sell. No, those are coming back. I know, isn't that crazy?
Nice.
I think these are probably, well, I don't know. I was going to say they might be re-releases, but that's not.
Nope, that's not. That one may. Oh my goodness, you gotta call her. Oh my goodness. That's gotta be a repop.
Yeah, these look, I mean, these, they're so perfect. They would have had to been in plastic.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not even sure that they're hers. I think, didn't Kevin loan her these? Or are these hers?
No clue. I didn't know she had.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You saying I got a gold mine on my hands here? Or she
No,
does?
no. A lot of people do it just for the visual art.
Yes, no,
and
that's true. We talk about that a lot. We
rock
miss that.
albums.
Yeah. That's what my husband, all the stuff he has is all Iron Maiden.
Is it really?
Rush, Led Zeppelin.
Let me ask you, would you consider calling her later and finding out if she wanted to sell them?
Yes. I'll text her. I'm sure she's like.
Hey, you want the money?
That's hers. That's her stuff.
That's it. Thank you again, ladies.
Yeah, have a good one.
You as well. I'm good. How are you, ma'am? I ain't jumped the gun on you too much, did I?
No.
Getting everything pulled out.
A lot of infants. You recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I do it. I have a YouTube channel. So what I do is I just film going around the garage sales and stuff that I find.
That's never been used. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Death Pile Picker.
Death Pile Picker.
Death Pile Picker. Yeah. It is because I buy more than I sell.
Oh, okay.
And it just piles up.
Okay.
It's the death pile. That's what they call it. What are y'all asking on something like that?
Oh, man. 5.
I'll do that. I can definitely take a chance for $5. Y'all don't have any old video games or records or anything coming out, do you? No.
Video games, we do have a couple in the PlayStation box with it, which is right there.
Oh, she got a PlayStation box.
We have a PlayStation, we're just not sure I want to part with it.
Right.
He's the old PS3.
PS3, Call of Duty, Fight Night, Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit, Most Wanted, Black Ops, and then looks like a whole used game, Fight Night Round, something or other.
Yeah.
Huh. What would y'all ask on the games?
Man, I don't even know.
At least $2.
Have you bought them all? Would you do $1 a piece? They're not anything that's in high demand, but what I do is like I usually, if I have extra systems or I come across extra systems, I'll throw some games in there to make them stand out. I'm going to throw you $6 and owe you 11. I'll do that.
Please, please, please tell me you have a 10 and a 1.
Actually, I might have 2 5s and a 1.
Oh, that's even better. Thank you.
I want to help y'all out. There it is, 2 5s
right.
and 2 5s and a 1. Thank y'all.
All right.
Don't see a price, just ask me.
Headphones. What do you think, ma'am?
Darn, I can't see it. $50.
$50. Whew.
You wanted to price?
I know. I wanted a lower price. I wanted a Bible price.
What's that?
$10.
That's not the Bible price. That's the devil price.
No, not the Bible price. The Bible.
Bible. Oh, I thought you said the Bible.
No, ma'am. I don't bring Jesus into my negotiations, but you almost made me say his name whenever you told me that $50.
You must have a booth somewhere.
No, ma'am. I do not. Oh, God. Take that right there. I do not. I do it all online, ma'am. I went here and found a blow mold. Snickers. On point. Miss, where's she at? Miss Billy at?
Oh yes, it's marked. It's for sale.
You can be nicer on that one. I know that's cheap, but what do you think on that?
$5.
$5. It's almost like your Kmart discounted.
Darling,
You know what?
this is
I might
early in
do
the
it.
day.
I know it is. I know it is. I'm giving you a
By
hard
that,
time.
I
here
give
for-
that for. Don't you give me a hard time.
Oh.
I give it right back to you.
I appreciate it. That's what makes it enjoyable.
No,
And you know what? You said the magic word. Buy this and I get that free.
you got it. $5.
Let's see, Emerson. I ain't seen the remote around here for that, huh?
Yeah, the remotes are far in between.
What? Do you know the prices in here? I need to talk to Miss Billy as well.
For books and stuff?
No, that's all
For
that.
that Wii,
Yes, ma'am.
$20.
Oh. Let me see.
No, ma'am.
And you don't have any of the controllers, huh?
Well, there was one. So, well, maybe not $20.
No.
Oh,
Oh, one controller.
yeah. Okay, so not $20. Is there games in here? Yeah. Nope.
Well, what do you think? If it's not $20, what do you think? 10?
That's fine with me.
All right. You don't mind if I look through these boxes of VHS, do you?
I haven't even started to go through those yet. So sorry.
Would you mind? I mean, it's just the VHS because that's
Sure.
all I want to look at. And I promise you, I will not cause a mess. Hanging Tough Live. New Kids on the Block. This first print. First print. I thought I heard somebody say 50 cents.
50 cents sounds good.
50 cents sounds great. Oh yeah, for $2. This is my kind of estate sale. You ladies are lovely.
There's a lot of neat stuff.
Woodstock. And go back through and look at what people didn't. Look at what people didn't see. No design, but these things right here. For quality. Carolyn Christmas challenge. Oh, you set up a cashier stand. Oh my goodness. So much pressure on you now. Worst case scenario survival game. I made a game about my first marriage. Anyway,
Well, you survived.
I did. That's why I couldn't play y'all in it. Instant win. I'll make it easy. We only got a couple items that are
What you got, darling?
10, 5, another 5, so 3, 50 cents each, 2. So that's 20 right there. The only thing we didn't discuss were a little plushing and some Christmas bells.
And you got the good. If he'd had a thing on his nose, you know, he'd be worth lots of money. Let's do. What about 35?
All right, folks, wanted to apologize for the abrupt ending. The math wasn't mathing, but we're still very, very thankful that we were able to find some great deals out there. Thankfully, y'all chose to come along. Gotta say, my favorite buy of the whole day was probably the Casper candelabra. Do me a favor. Tell me, do y'all normally pick up seasonal items throughout the year? Go ahead, let me know down in the comments. Again, thank y'all very much for coming by, and hopefully we will see you in a week. Y'all take care.